Here I am back with Small Neat Brazes number 3. I thought 2 videos would do it, but I've come up with a couple of ideas that have been helpful to me, and maybe they'll be of interest to you. This is a 3/32 bare bronze brazing rod. Now, if I had something very small that I wanted to braze, if this is the only rod that I had, I can anneal this and hammer it down so that it's thinner. I've often heard that you could use borax for flux. So the other day I was in the grocery store, went by the detergent aisle, picked up a box of borax. So in a few minutes I'll show you how borax works for a flux for brazing. With 2 pieces close together right here, if I started brazing here, all I would be doing is be putting a layer of bronze right across there. There's just not quite enough room in there for the bronze to go down in. So it really wouldn't be a very secure braze. To have a place for the bronze to go, you can see I've made this groove or a trough. It's in a gap. Just laying this rod in here gives you a better look at the groove or the trough or gap that I've ground in there. So when I heat the whole rod up, or this whole piece here, that it doesn't spread apart at the ends. And for this I use the borax flux. It works quite well. The hardest part for me doing this is holding my torch so that it's at a right angle. I'm just not used to doing that. But that makes all the difference. I lightly sanded this, so it does improve the appearance somewhat. Now, I've done several of these, and this one came out the best. Did get a little bit of overlap here. I really didn't want it to come up on its side. So something we all know, I don't always believe that practice makes perfect, but it certainly does improve things.